How to use cloud storage services. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I show you how to use cloud storage services like Google Drive and OneDrive. These services help you store, access and share files securely from anywhere. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to the drive.google.com. Sign in to your Google account. If you don't have one, click on Create Account and follow the prompts. Once signed in, you'll see your Google Drive dashboard. Click on the New button on the left sidebar, select File Upload, and choose the file you want to upload from your computer. The file will appear in your Google Drive, so click the New button and select Folder. Name your folder and click Create. Drag and drop files into the folder to keep your drive organized. Right-click on the file you want to share and select Share. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. Choose their access level, either a viewer who can only view the files, or a commenter who can also comment on the files, or an editor that can edit the whole folder, and click Send. Open your web browser and to sync cloud storage with your computer, you can download and install Google Drive or OneDrive desktop apps from their respective websites. Sign in to the apps and follow the setup instructions to sync your cloud storage with your computer. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.